Fringe, I see that. Woohoo! Alright. That's nice. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a live review of this new editing software that I found online. It's called Pixlr and it's free. Some of the really good features on there are pretty awesome, and the fact that it's free is even better. So I'm just gonna sit here and go through some of the cool features, and hopefully you'll find something that you want to use for your own editing, and hopefully I've led you to a resource that you can use. So let's go. So it's pixlr.com, photo editor online. So what I did was go into Pixlr X, and then you're able to upload an image. So I'm gonna bring that car back in. Great, so now we have our image here, and one of the first things I like off the bat is that you have the option to add layers here. So
2,000 years later.
Oh, add an image. Okay. So we're able to add it to this file. So I'll add current. And now I have two layers over here on the right, which is cool. Let's resize. I'm branding this car. This is just for this video. I do not own this car or rights to this car or anything. But the point is, I am able to work with multiple layers, which is great. Let's see if I could, well, I wouldn't want to reposition this, but it's good that you can bring different pictures in. So maybe you're working with a picture, or you want to add text or something like that, and you have multiple pictures, then at least you can play around with the layers. One thing I don't like with Canva is that you can't see your layers. So you can't like reposition. You have to be like really good at like clicking and moving back and forth. But at least here you're able to see all your layers in front of you. So that's one awesome feature already. Let's play around with the filters because that's what everyone wants to do. So let's see what's offered here on the left. We got properties, so you can change the size. That's awesome. And we're gonna check to see the features that are free and the features that are premium, because of course there's always a catch, right? So let's say we want to change this to 3,000. Apply. Boom. Whoa, we can change the size. That's awesome. Oh, and then now you're able to name your file and then change the file type, which is great. JPEG, all that. I always recommend doing PNG as much as possible just for high quality stuff. You can save it high, then hit download, and we could have been done right there. That's pretty cool. For a free service, arrange, so you can move stuff around. So you can duplicate your layers if you wanted to. And of course, all these, it's really cool. It's really quick to resize or change or transform. I guess you could flip, rotate, whatever you want to do. That's nice. There's a blend mode. What? Blend me into the car here. Maybe I'm like a picture on the door. And of course, there's an undo button, so you can undo. Transparency. Oh, that's dope. What I like the most is that you can resize, which is a feature that you'd have to pay for in Canva, but it seems to be free here. Crop, I think most of us know crop. Cutout. Now I know a lot of people want to cut their pictures out of stuff, so let's see. Let's play around with the cutout and see what happens. So there's a shape cutout. So I've selected the layer. And we got shape cutout. Whoa. Okay, there it is. So it cuts it into a shape. That's something. So there's like a invert, reset, so I can reset it. That's nice. Invert would be if you wanted to do the opposite of your cutout. So it takes everything else, but don't know why you'd want that. But then you can extract as a layer. That's cool too. So let's see. Got a brush thing. Ooh. Well, that just kind of, well, it's not exactly what you want, but it's a quick way. It reminds me of like the magic brush in Photoshop. Let's reset. Oh, also drawing actually is kind of like a brush. Oh, reset. So maybe we can make the brush size larger and kind of go around the car a bit. So the brush is a little messy, but you can probably get better results using the brush. In fact, I know a lot of people like to, I've done a video on adding that white outline on Canva. So this kind of does this for you if your picture was already on a white background. So I think I like the brush. I'm just going to reset and let's try the last one. So, oh, there. Okay. That's wild. Oh, okay. I guess you could go around with a brush and kind of smooth it out. So yeah, you can cut out for free. And let's just make sure we can download this thing if we had cut it out. So I'm just going to do a wild, super wild cut and then hit save. Let's call this crazy cut. Hit download, see what happens. Woo! It downloaded. Dude, this is free. So yeah, it does save the cutout. Yeah, we can see on the tire there. So that's good to know. And that's for free, guys. If you're looking for a cutout option, you can do it here for free. Let's see what else we get. I know it's the part you guys like. So there's adjust, there's filter, there's effect. So there's like 3 different things you can do with pictures here. I guess, I always kind of do like an auto fix for myself. Ooh, all right. Content. And this is really for people who are really more technical than even I am and really know how to play with their levels. And then I think for most of us, we're probably going to use something like filter or effect. Let's look at filter first. Let's see what we can do here. Vignette. Yeah, we all know this one. Everyone got Instagram. Everyone has done this. Friends, I see that. Woo-hoo! All right. That's nice. I mean, guys, people that have like one of those, probably exactly this, like a car YouTube channel or something that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. This is nice. Just imagine this on like your image, just making it stand out, driving people's eyes crazy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Looks like a bloom. Oh, yeah, just get like a nice highlight on top. Wow. Dude, there's a lot of things you can do in this free software. Nice. Like right now there's like endless options and different ways that you could create something looking really cool. And I mean, it's really, at this point, it's up to you and how creative you are. Let's make it pop. I'm gonna see if we can save. Always checking. See if they're trying to trick us into doing a premium. Cool car. PNG and download. And we can download it. There you go, guys. It is also free. And so far I've done a few downloads and I haven't been told you only have 2 left or anything. So that's great. So let me undo everything to the car. And for my friends that we have no idea how to do anything, if it's not a filter, you got filters. So this is nice. I mean, obviously you'd be using a picture yourself, but you get the picture. You got filters that you can manipulate. Liquefy. Huh. Let's see what this does. Is it doing anything? Whoa, that tire looks bent now, right? Oh, wow. Let's see if we increase the strength, what happens. Maybe let's restore it. Nope, the tire was already bent. Let's make the brush bigger. And then hit swirl again. Oh, alright, there it is. It's really messing this up. If my husband saw this car, he'd be pissed. So, yeah, it can swirl stuff. Maybe that's something you wanted to do. I'm just here to show you things that, the things that the software can do, and so far it's been pretty cool. There's a retouch. Oh, this is great for pictures. Maybe you've got a spot or two on your face, you know, want to hide that little bit of acne. This is a cool tool for that. And if you want a tutorial on doing stuff like that, let me know. I can go back into Pixlr or whatever software and kind of show you how to kind of help with blemishes on your pictures. You can add text. Cool. Oh, there it is. It was already there. Let's make this pink so we can see it. It's so small. So, what font we got? All right. Wow. This is a decent library, guys. Let's make this text larger. How do we do that? Oh, here we go. So far, this has been pretty easy to use. A lot of sliding options here. I'm pretty sure you can type. This is really some stuff that you'd be getting from Photoshop right now for free. Free. I'm actually gonna be using this software. And let's see what else. You can add an element. Let's see what the elements are. Huh? Okay, there we go. So elements seem to be premium. So we might not be able to use, we're not going to be able to use elements, but hey, if you're already here, it makes sense, right? I've given you so many things for free. I'm not surprised that you got to pay for some of this stuff. They have stock images. Let's see if we are able to add this to our current. This is crazy. Let me put this, can I just move this? Nice, so you just move your layers back. Oh, the car isn't cut out, is it? It's not gonna work for us. But let's go back to cutout. And let me just use the lasso. This is crazy, I know, guys. But I'm just trying to show you how to use this. So technically the car is on top of that layer. That's what I kind of wanted to show you. And this is looking kind of crazy, but you have your ideas of the things that you want to do. I'm showing you that there's a tool that you can use and do it. Brush. There's a brush tool. So you could paint. Nice. So this is actually cool in terms of, let's just kind of get rid of everything else. You know what? Close this. Let's just do something new. Let me see if I let's bring one of my stuff back in. And this white line around me, we can do this around this here. Like you could be able to trace yourself, right? Man, my hand is straighter than I thought. Seems like you can't do anything after you've used the tool. But if you're thinking of creating like a white line around you, you could with this software. It gives you a brush. And honestly, some people, they're literally just using a brush and going around their edges. So, hey, it's something that's available for free. So maybe take the time to learn it and use it for yourself. Of course, you're going to have to deal with ads. You are dealing with a free software. But otherwise, this seems like something great to use. So this is my review on Pixlr. It was live. I've never used it before. So to me, it's pretty cool and definitely something that I'll continue to use. So again, thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. So again, thank you. You took the time to sit with me and go through Pixlr. It was fun. It's definitely something you can check out. Here's the website. Check it out for yourself. And if you learned something, I'm happy for that. If you have a software that you think I should know about and it's definitely free or just something cool, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you use. I use Canva and I'm going to use Pixlr. What else do you got? Again, if you like what I'm doing, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. It goes a long way in helping me and motivating me to make more videos to help you with all your editing, video marketing needs. So again, I never end without saying thanks for watching.